To another Click tutorial. My name is Jasper, the CTO here at Click, and what we're going to be doing today is showing you how to sign up for a ChatGPT account. Now it is really simple, so all you need to do is come into your browser here, go google.com, nice, and then once we're in here, all we're going to do is then go OpenAI, nice and simple, or you can go ChatGPT now. So if you go to ChatGPT, you'll find the exact page. Once you get here, you'll see a Start Now button. Now, if you went in the other direction, so if we went OpenAI, you would come across to their main page here. So you're going to learn more and all this different stuff. So let's scroll down to the bottom. And if you get down to the bottom, this is where you're going to see all the main sort of pages. So what we can do is find one that's ChatGPT login. So we click that, and then here you go, and you come straight into the system. Now, instead, if you were to go back, and we'll go to the ChatGPT link, come across to this page, we'd go Start Now, and we'd come to the same spot. And there you go. Now you can use ChatGPT, or you can sign up for an account there, or log into your account. Nice and easy. Thanks for watching the video, and look forward to seeing you in the next one.